Okay, para sa kauna-unahang plein air painting ni Maestro Ferds. Kakaiba talaga yung experience. Like, this afternoon after work, ay inaya ko si Masi na pumunta sa Assiniboine Park and mag-try mag-painting for the first time. I say for the first time because I usually do landscape paintings, but this one is live. Like, that's why it's called plein air. Doing it outside and painting on the spot.
Yeah, this is my first time to do a plein air painting.
So
And
I've
here
done
at
this
the
painting for
Assiniboine
2
Park.
hours. The weather is
Try
like
if I
3
can like paint
degrees
these trees over here.
and it's really cold. Kaya naka-jacket ko na pareho ng Masi. So while I'm painting, she's doing sketch naman. So ang weather kanina is makulit. Hindi ako naglagay ng kulay sa sky, but nilagay ko talaga yung
What are
kulay
you
na
doing?
kulay. So
You have paint on your face.
Huh?
You have paint on your face.
Paint?
Yeah.
Where?
Your face.
It's like grayish. And then, ito kasi yung puno na lagi naming, dito sa ilalim nito, naglalagay kami usually ng tent. And as a starter, gusto ko sanang itry muna ito. Kasi medyo familiar ako doon sa puno na to. As you can see this part, akala nyo reflection ito, this is actually yung snow na natira pa. Dahil papunta na tayo sa a little bit of a hotter weather. Kaya, ayun, nakunan ko pa rin yung, gusto ko yung part na to where nakunan ko pa yung natutunaw na snow. And, ayun. Gusto ko rin dito yung part na to sa gitna wherein na makikita mo yung mga branches na para silang they're holding on together, like para silang maka-partner. Para siya may istorya, di ba? So, I like this part. At saka yung liwanag dito sa back nung grass area. Gusto ko rin yan. Now, ito yung tawag ni Masi ay mga blob of colors. These are actually the bushes, trees and bushes over here. Yan. Dito ako medyo nahirapan sa part na to kasi this is the cement part. Pero dahil nung in-scratch ko siya using a pencil, medyo nag-create naman siya na para siyang tiles. So in general, I think nakuha ko naman yung mood kanina. Yung para siyang makulimlim na panahon. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya ganun ka-bright. Pero happy na rin ako na nakagawa ako ng isang artwork na tulad nito na galing sa as in live mo siyang ipinaint. Kaya doon sa video kung mapapansin nyo, ang daming nakwak-kwak-kwak ng mga geese and may hangin din. And most of all, I'm really happy na kasama ko si Masi. So it's like a bonding time with me and Masi sa Assiniboine Park. And I hope na marami pa akong magawang plein air artwork katulad nito. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Bye.